has got hair. Said his hair. Some of his hair goes somewhere.
Up there.
At the top. You don't, like the way you lean on it, that's why they don't go in straight away. Right, should be a bit more of his hair, shouldn't there? A bit more. Perhaps some of his face. His face and his hair. Can you see it?
For it.
Yeah.
So we needed that bit.
That bit. That will be, it's probably blue with a little bit. So you want blue with a little bit of brown on it. You want blue. See blue? Not that one. You want blue with a little bit of brown. No, see all the blue bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can find one. See if you can find something that's got a little bit of brown on it. Somewhere. I can see it. Now.
Did you get that?
Gonna be a rubbish phone call.
It isn't rubbish, somebody will start leaving a message. Right, what we have to do now? What? That don't go there. Want that bit, don't we? So what's on that bit? That, see that red there? What's above that red? No, here. What's that bit?
White.
Yeah, that's his, what's that, his face, isn't it? So you want an eye. I think there's an eye on it somewhere.
What's that?
Right, hey? No, it's not that one, we've just said it's not that one. Right, so come on, over here. Like it'd be over here somewhere, won't it? Where's
Hold
eyes? Is it that one? We'll give it a go, see if it's that one. Is it that one? No, I don't think it's that one. No, go find more eyes.
Let's see where that one goes. Okay.
No. You just
Yeah.
concentrate on the one piece that you're looking for. Right. No, probably have some of that, have some of that.
And those
Find some of that.
that white stuff.
Yeah, and that. What was that? Is that like binoculars or something? Does he look through them? Does he look through them? What's that for?
For water, there's fire.
Oh, right.
It's the emergency. A whale was an emergency on my
Oh, right
video,
then.
but I fixed it
Oh, look for
because
something
it
like that
was
then.
crooked.
I can see something like that.
The water.
Yeah, look for that thing. Today, look for it. I can see it. Right, look over there, look over that way. Found it? You found it? Yeah? Oh, come on then, see if that goes there. That might go there. Give it a go. It might do. Give it a go.
Yeah.
There you are. Right, now, see that bit? Try that bit. Well, don't go there. You should be able to see where that goes without even trying it. Right, we still want some of him though, don't we?
We needed this.
Need his nose. See his nose, that's what we want, isn't it? His nose. And his mouth.
What you got in your hand?
Right. Yeah, I know.
Nothing.
He's got to find it, not me.
Yeah, but if you can't
Right.
see it.
Yeah, like, then he'll look at all the bits that is here, and then he should say that's where it is.
Yeah.
Shouldn't he? Right. You know. Well, can you see it anywhere? That's not it, is it? Like, you should be able to see where it is. What's this? See, you just don't look. Well, you could have found it. You could have said it's in your hand. Do you know? Oh, dear.
Bless you.
Wait. What orange is that?
Yeah. What's that?
Who's he? Who's he?
Simba.
All right. Right then. Right, that's what we're looking for. Something orange. If you find him, oh, I can see him. His hands out on mine.
Yeah.
They are then. Giving him a go. Does it go there? Have we got the right piece?
Yeah. I'll turn it a bit more there.
So he's got to stop leaning on it. That's what he does. He leans on it like that, and then he can't move it. And then he wonders why he can't move it.
Done it.
Done it. Good.
On it. Right. That's what we're looking for now.
That bit.
That bit. So what's
Is ear. Is ears.
and what's that? What is that?
Look out.
Oh, is it? Right, then go look for the lookout then. That's what you're looking for then.
Look out.
For your lookout.
Look out for the lookout.
Yeah.
Look out. Look out.
Go on then.
Look out, pieces.
Come on then. You've got to put them where they should go then. You want this bit. So you want some bit with the orange. That hasn't got orange on it, has it? You need some orange bit. Orangey brown bit. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So you have to wait for that one then. Finding that one.
I found it. Somewhere. Somewhere.
I want some more of this then. Right. Right, it's not that bit. Must be another bit somewhere. No, I don't think that goes there. I think you're in the wrong place completely for that. That don't go there. Right, what's that bit? Well, that don't go there either, does it?
Go the other end.
Right, well, them bits aren't the lookout. So where's the rest of the lookout then? Come on, we're looking for the lookout thing. Try it, don't just put it down there.
That's what it says. Skirt wall.
Wait, you should be able to see where that goes. Where does that go? Right. Right, now where does that bit go?
Above it there.
Where does that bit go?
Yeah.
Right. Yay.
So,
Still want some white bit. You know, I think you've got to turn it round.
And again.
Turn it round again.
That's it.
Go on then, try it. No, turn it round like what we just had it like that. You don't have to turn it round again. Right, now what bit? There's another bit, isn't it? Right, about there they are. Yay, done that.
That's the one end done. So go do the other end now.
Right, what's next to him?
his finger.
His
Got it.
finger. You got his finger.
Yeah.
Go on then.
His
Right,
finger
then.
box.
Right. Well, that's not in the way, is it? Right.
That could be please.
Yay.